This particular tip is for those set of persons that are covering events. Everybody has their way of covering events. I want to tell you one of the things that makes me stand out from every other person covering events. First of all, you have to understand that the bride and the groom, they paid you because they want to listen to you. They did not pay you so that at the end, whatever you like, you just do. No. If you have anything you want to tell them, they are ready to listen to you and follow it like that. So this particular thing I want to tell you now is something very, very important. If there are Ashebi girls in front of the bride and the groom, or in front of the bride, what you're supposed to do is to tell them quietly, don't quarrel them. Tell them, you guys are supposed to dance inside first before the bride comes in. Or you guys are supposed to stay behind the bride. If they tell you why, explain to them that if they stay in front of the bride, you might not get a good picture of the bride. So instead, let them stay behind the bride or let them go first. So you have all the space to snap the bride while the bride is coming into the hall. That will help you get good pictures. And also tell the bride too, as you tell the guests, so that when you're marching in, it will work out. And also, know when to tell your bride to stop and know when to tell her to move. So it's not always nice if your bride is moving fast. So you also look for a way and tell her to be moving slowly so you can get good pictures. When you have gotten a good pictures, you can actually just give them space to do whatever they want to do. Peace.